Van build consultations. What are they? What's in it for you? And can I prove it? My name is Sequoia. I am owner and operator of Phoenix Off-Grid Solutions. I do design and installations of off-grid power systems, plumbing systems, and heating and cooling systems. In addition to my installations, I also do one-on-one consultations. People find these very valuable, especially if you are currently building a van or have another off-grid conversion project. These consultations are designed to help you cut through all of the overwhelming and large amount of information that's out there on YouTube and social media, and kind of help you get exactly to what you want to do, how to do it at the right price. And so I have been working on vans and other custom off-grid mobile applications for over 5 years. I've worked in 2 professional van shops, and I have been running my own off-grid systems business for 2 years now. So I have a lot of experience. I've worked on well over 100 different projects, from military vehicles to vans to conversion travel trailers to ambulances to, sleeper RV systems. And so if you have questions, I probably have an answer. And if I don't have an answer, I will tell you. So that's sort of part of what you get in these consultations is my honest feedback. And sometimes it's not what you want to hear. And so, that's part of what's in it for you, right? You get the clarity, you get information, you get feedback from me. And I try to make it, as fast as possible so that you're not spending time researching and getting overwhelmed and getting confused and getting kind of to your project, so that you can get out there on the road and live, the life of freedom that you want to live. And in addition to the information that I share in the consultations, you also get access to buy products through me. So right now I don't have an e-store. I don't have one now, and maybe I never will, but I have a lot of relationships with suppliers because, I have my own design and install business. And so I get a lot of products at a discount, and I can share that discount with you if you sign up for a consultation with me. And it depends. So sometimes I can get a little discount, sometimes a bigger discount. Depends on what you want. From windows to electrical to plumbing products. Sometimes there's nothing. But I do the best that I can to share that with you. So in addition to what you get out of it, can I prove it, right? Yeah, I can prove it. You can look at my reviews on Google. I think I have over 30 5-star Google reviews, and that's just since I've been on my own running my business. I have a lot of videos. I try to do a video on all of my installation projects that come through my my little shop here in Morgantown, and post it on YouTube. I also have a lot of stuff on Instagram, although I'm not on social media hardly at all anymore because I find it very distracting. So check out my YouTube. And also, if you want to reach out and just chat, I offer like free 15-minute, 30-minute calls just to kind of see if what you want is something that I can provide. And if it's not something that I can do, I will tell you, because I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So if you're interested in something like this, the best way to contact me is to use my contact form on my website. You can comment in the description or comments of this video. And I will reach out to you, or you can just email me. Please sign up for my newsletter so you can get alerts to my new offerings, also to my YouTube lives. I'm trying to do a YouTube live, a live Q&A every month of the year. And so if you have questions, you can send them to me, and I will give you answers, try to give you answers for free every month, and hope to give you, share some information that way. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Also, electrical diagrams. I'll offer custom electrical diagrams for your system. So if that's something that you're interested in, reach out to me. I have a separate fee for just electrical diagrams, but I also do, big packages of consultations, diagrams, and, of course, the product purchasing power. So yeah, thanks so much, and see you next time.